Yo, what is good, people? Hi, this is Rohan Raj from Featuring Culture, aka FT Culture. So, first things first, I would like to thank people at Street Sense for giving us this opportunity to share our knowledge and love for sneakers and the whole sneaker community in India. So, thank you so much, and let's get into the video. So, giving you a quick little background check, I am a management student. I live in Ahmedabad, and not many people know that when I started my page, it was more focused towards men's styling and men's fashion. I started it around 3.5 years ago. That time it was more focused towards men's styling, and धीरे धीरे I got to know about the whole sneaker community in India and the street culture, and that's what got me fascinated with this culture. And what I thought was it is a better niche for me because I was more interested in that. So what I thought was let's take a risk and change your whole niche and idea of your page from men's styling to the whole sneaker centric page. So that's what I did, and through this journey I met Milind Malviya. He's a professional dancer. We thought let's get together and do something for the street culture in India, and that's what we did. And since then, there is no looking back. And now let's talk about the most favorite part of this Q&A, sneakers. So I started collecting sneakers around 2.5 years back. I have around 70 pairs of sneakers as I counted recently, and I do not own any of such much hype sneakers. I am more of a classic sneaker guy, and also I am a student, so whatever money I get, either I spend it all on sneakers or I spend it all on sneakers. And as I told you that I'm more of a classic sneaker guy, therefore my most favorite pair of sneakers are hands down Nike Cortez and the Sheltos. How do I style my most favorite pair of sneakers? I like wearing Earthstone t-shirts, like really plain, subtle, faded denim, and my white Cortez. I like keeping it simple and subtle. So how do I educate myself about sneakers? I read books, man. I read books. Yeah. Jokes apart, the only way I can educate myself about sneakers, especially during this lockdown period, is YouTube and Instagram. And some of my favorite YouTube channels indeed include Jack Slade, Seth Fowler, Kais Omer, and Cool Kicks LA. Now I cannot leave behind my Indian homies, so I will also include Frankly Street, Chaitanya Dikshit, and Lay Shash. What I think about Indian street culture, भाई एक नंबर बहुत hard. What I think is India is still in its growing phase when it comes to this whole sneaker community and streetwear, and it is the biggest untapped market in this segment. So I think India has immense opportunity of growing in this whole streetwear and sneaker community. People are getting to know more and more about the sneakers. कुछ सालों पहले तक कैसा होता था कि only some pockets in India they were passionately following the street culture, but now more and more people are getting involved into this. They are following the street culture. They are learning about it. They are interested. So what I think is India has immense opportunity of growing in this segment, and yes, the street culture in India is still in its growing phase. That's it. What is the one tip that you want to give to the people who are entering the sneaker culture? So what I feel is people usually have this notion, especially in India, they have this notion that this whole sneaker community and sneaker collecting thing is a very महंगा शौक and they cannot afford it. I totally deny that. What I really feel is if you can manage the money, if you can really invest it, know where to invest it, when and where, in what sneaker, then I think you can easily collect good sneakers and be a part of the sneaker culture. Plus, who is telling you to buy all the hype sneakers in the market? Only buying hype sneakers is not street culture. Keep that in mind. Only buying hype sneakers is not street culture. Street culture is much more bigger and much more versatile than that. That's what I stand for. What I feel is street culture is more about your personal expression of style, how you express yourself through what you're wearing. I don't care about what the person is thinking about me if I am liking what I'm wearing. If I like the sneaker, I don't care about the price tag, I wear it. That is what is street culture, about expressing yourself through what you're wearing. That's what I stand for, and that is what my blog is all about, showing the true culture, true street culture in India. And that's it.